Log into your Gmail account and in the top right corner, click on the 9 apps next to your name icon. As you scroll down, you will find more from Google if you don't have the My Business app already. This takes you to all the different apps that Google provides, and if you scroll partially down the page, Google My Business will be one of the first ones that you will find. Click here. Once you click here, you're going to click Manage Now. It's in the top right corner and towards the bottom on the left. Next, you're going to find and manage your business by typing in the business name you wish to use. It's important to use a name that's somewhat similar to your Facebook business page name so that Google will recognize it and name them similarly so that they can link the two accounts. Here I've chosen my name, and now I'm going to walk through the process by clicking Next. Now I get to choose the category that fits my business best. In this case, I'm going to click on the line and start typing real estate, and you'll see the option for real estate agents. Do I want to add a location? Yes, I'm going to put in my office location on the next screen. Type in your office address and you'll start to see Google populate the address. Once you see it, you can click on it and it will fill in the rest of the form and you can click Next. Do you also serve clients outside of this location? Yes, this means you're willing to meet them anywhere or maybe a different office. And click Next. Now we're going to add the areas that we serve. Here's where you can add any of the surrounding cities, towns that you would choose to work in. As you can see, I did Omaha, and now I'm going to add all the outlying cities and towns and neighborhoods within the greater Omaha area. Bennington, Elkhorn, Fremont, Blair, Papillion, La Vista, Bellevue. Once I've done this, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next. Now this is important. You need to add your phone number and your website. For those of you that don't know, you have a website with NP Dodge, and that is your first name, last name, .npdodge.com. Then you're going to click Next. Do I want to have Google send me updates and recommendations for my business? That's up to you, yes or no, and click Next. And now we get to finish this business listing by clicking Finish. Now I have to verify my address. By doing so, they are going to mail me a postcard with a code on it that I will then go in to verify my address. So I put in the name for who the postcard should come attention to and click the Mail button. A postcard will arrive within 5 days of creating this account, and now I'm going to click Continue. Now I get to add my services. As an agent, maybe you want to add new construction, first-time home buyers, home buying, home selling. You can put all of those in here, or you can do none and then just go to the next step. Click Save. Now you're going to add your business hours. I know most of you will probably turn these all on, and then when you click on that first open field to put the open, you can actually choose 24 hours. I'm going to add that to all of these. And then at the bottom I can click Next. And if I want to allow customers to message me through Google, I can leave that on, or I can click Skip. And then the last part that's really important is your business description. This is where you're going to put a short bio about yourself. Maybe you have one already written that you can just copy and put in here. But this is really important to make sure that you have a short bio or description about who you are and what you do. Next, you can add your photo. So click on add photos to add your portrait, or skip. You can skip that next one. And now it says we're almost ready. On this next page, this is what your home page looks like. You are going to have the ability to create posts if you want to, similar to as you would to any other social page. But you're going to have more of these features available to you once the location has been verified with the code that comes through the mail on a postcard. One of the biggest pieces that you need is to send your clients to the reviews page, and you can then receive reviews on your Google listing.